Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can check if your AirPods Pro 3 are fake or original. So the first one, if you are connecting your AirPods Pro 3 into your iPhone or iPad, you should get this pop-up notification. So once you actually take them out of the box and open this charging case, you should get this automatic connection. But if you are already connected, you should also get this notification about battery level of your case and the AirPods. Next, you should also get this AirPods Pro extension above all settings. Once you actually tap on it, you can find here all of those options. So we can rename them, we can find listening mode, hearing health, just everything that is inside here in my case. So as you can see, there's a lot of functions. But when you scroll all the way down, you have to actually get this option to check limited warranty and the serial number. And this is very important because when you take a look on this serial number, this should match the same number that you have on your box over here. This is the serial number. But also when you keep tapping here, you will be able to switch serial number for right AirPod, left AirPod, and the charging case. So you have to also check if you have the same serial numbers in the application. It's located just over here. And you can also use the Apple Check Coverage website. And also we can check the spatial audio option, because in the most fake AirPods Pro 3, there's no option to set up the spatial audio. And you can also check, this is the heart rate sensor that is located right here. And once you actually input this one inside your ear, you will be able to go into the health application, search for it. It's available just over here. And now we have to go for all health data, and we'll have to go for our heart rate, which is located here. And now as you can see, I can find my current heart rate over here.